Hi, welcome. I'm Steve from English with Steve UK. And today I have for you two fixed expressions, a bit of a and a cock-up. Let's see what they mean. A bit of a means a small amount or degree. An example. It's a bit of a shame you feel so poorly and have to miss the party. Oh. It's a bit of a chilly day. A cock-up means a mistake or a blunder. He made a real cock-up of that presentation. Oh dear. Now let's combine the two. He's made a bit of a cock-up on his first day in his new job. I hope he doesn't get fired. If you'd like to learn more lexics, lexical chunks, fixed expressions, collocations, phrasal verbs and idioms, then why not attend our Chatterbox Zoom workshops? They're great value, they're great fun. Hope to see you there.